Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you are good and you are enjoying your days. So I am here to explain what we are going to do in our next lecture. So before going to the next lecture, let me explain what we have already done. In the last lecture, we have covered the Linux kernel part, when we understand the basics about the kernel, what the kernel is, and we have explored the details about the manual pages or man pages. Or in the next lecture, we will cover the details about the core components of Linux, and these core components consist of the from the kernel. We will explore some more details about the kernel. Then we will understand what the bootloader is. We will see the services in the Linux. We will cover that. We will see the file system of the Linux. Then we will see the X Windows file system. We will understand the desktop environment. We will see what the command line is, our command line or CLI. We will try to understand the bash or shell, what the shell is and what the bash is. So stay connected with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start.